Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Dodge Ram headlight bulbs. First, gather all your necessary tools. You'll need a new set of headlight bulbs, a 10mm socket wrench, and a flathead screwdriver. Safety glasses and gloves are also highly recommended to protect your eyes and hands throughout the process. Having everything ready beforehand makes the job much smoother and quicker, ensuring you can complete the replacement efficiently and safely. Now that you have your tools, open the hood of your Dodge Ram. Locate the headlight assembly you need to work on. You'll typically find a few retaining clips or bolts holding it in place. Use your flathead screwdriver or socket wrench to carefully remove these fasteners. Once they are all out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward to create enough space to reach the bulbs. With the assembly pulled forward, you can now access the bulbs. First, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it off. Next, depending on your specific bulb type, you'll either twist the bulb counterclockwise or unclip it from its housing. Carefully remove the old bulb. When inserting the new one, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Finally, carefully slide the headlight assembly back into place, ensuring all clips and bolts are securely fastened. Reconnect any electrical connectors you detached. Before closing the hood, turn on your headlights to confirm both the low and high beams are working correctly. This quick check ensures everything is properly installed and functioning. Remember to check the description for a link to those handy meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.